Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 3 of grammar. And the name of the chapter is nouns, that is common and proper nouns. तो अब हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं about the nouns, right? जो कि है common और proper noun, correct? So, read the following passage and notice the highlighted words. तो जल्दी से इस पैसेज को पढ़ते हैं और इसमें जो highlighted words हैं उनके बारे में जानते हैं. So once upon a time there were 3 dogs, Prince, Peter and Pistorius. They lived under a huge banyan tree. One day their mother went out and told them not to go inside Mr. Khan's house. Prince, Peter and Pistorius were very good canines. They went up to the street to find some food. But then Prince, who was the most naughty, ran towards Mr. Khan's house and climbed over the wall. Right? So यहाँ पर इस पैराग्राफ में हमने देखा कि कुछ highlighted words हैं. So now first of all they told us कि noun is a word, a phrase or phrase. So first of all they are telling us a noun is a word or a phrase which names a person, place, animal or thing. कि noun जो है वो एक word या फिर phrase है जिसमें एक person, place, name, animal या फिर thing का नाम बताया जाता है. Right? Here the words highlighted in blue are common nouns and the words highlighted with pink are the proper nouns. So यहाँ हम जितने भी words देख सकते हैं जो कि highlighted है, they all are actually the common nouns and some of them are the proper nouns. Right? So let's study the nouns and their kinds. तो अब कुछ nouns और उनके kinds के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. First of all, we have the common nouns. A noun that names common people, animals, places or things is called common noun. ये एक ऐसा noun जो कि common people, animals, places या फिर things के बारे में हमें बताता है, उसे कहा जाता है common noun. So, common nouns are also name things that we see, hear, touch, smell and taste. कि common nouns वो things हैं जिन्हें हम देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, touch कर सकते हैं, smell कर सकते हैं या फिर taste कर सकते हैं. Right? So, here we have some common nouns are. अब कुछ common nouns हैं. Ocean, house, student, switch, head, television, company, bag, money, floor, homework, pasta, shoes, story, winter. Right? तो ये हैं हमारे कुछ common nouns. We again have the no more box which says nouns are the naming words and we all are aware of it कि nouns जो है वो naming words कहलाते हैं. Next, we have proper nouns over here. A noun that names a particular person, place, animal or thing is called a proper noun. कि एक noun जो name करता है particular person, place, animal या फिर thing को उन्हें कहा जाता है proper noun. Right? A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. कि हम एक proper noun को हमेशा ही एक capital letter से शुरू करते हैं. Some proper nouns are people and pets, Mr. Mehta, Mahatma Gandhi, Arnab, places and buildings, Manipur, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Juhu Beach. Geographical areas, the Himalayas, Bay of Bengal. Holidays, Christmas, Eid, Gurupurb and Diwali. Books, newspapers and magazines, Treasure Island, The Times of India, India Today. Titles, Queen Elizabeth, Prime Minister Modi. Languages, English, Tamil and Telugu. All these words are some of the proper nouns जो हम अपने day to day activities में या conversations में use करते हैं. Right? Let us understand the difference between the common nouns with the help of the following sentences. तो यहाँ पर हमें common और proper nouns के बीच में कुछ differences बताए हैं जिन्हें हम identify करेंगे. I like to watch this film. My favorite film is Dangal. तो आपने देखा कि यहाँ पर हमने film लिखा है. But in the other sentence हमने film का नाम mention किया है. Right? That is the difference between the common noun and the proper noun. He swam through the river. The Ganges is the longest river of India. My father reads the newspaper every morning. My father reads the Times of India every morning. She can speak 4 languages. Gitanjali can speak in Hindi, Bengali, Punjabi and English. Right? So, ये थी हमारी common and proper nouns. I hope you all are clear with the categories and you will be easily able to identify the words in which category they fall. Right? So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.